It looks like a regular slim phone, but it hides a massive 7300 mAh battery and still feels light in hand. Vivo might have nailed the perfect combo here. Let's check out what this phone is really offering. So this is our box, let's open it. Inside, we have the phone, a silicone case, some documents, a 90-watt adapter, and finally, a Type A to Type C data cable. That's it. This is the Emerald Blaze color. There's also a second color called Phantom Gray. Emerald Blaze has a shiny finish with a pattern on the back, while Phantom Gray comes with a matte finish. The best feature of this phone is its battery, which is a massive 7300 mAh. What's surprising is that despite such a big battery, the phone is just 7.89mm thick and weighs only 199 grams. On the back, there's a large camera ring. It holds two camera lenses. One is an LED ring light, and the other is an IR blaster to control electronic devices. At the bottom, you get a Type-C port, a single speaker, and a SIM tray that supports dual SIMs. The frame is made of plastic, but it feels premium. It also comes with an IP65 rating, which means it's resistant to dust and water. Plus, it has military-grade certification. It features a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate. By the way, this is a quad curve display, which means it's curved not just from the sides, but also slightly from the top and bottom. The display quality is excellent, supporting up to 5000 nits peak brightness. That means even under direct sunlight, the screen remains crisp and clear. So you're getting the brightest quad curve display in this segment. And yes, it also comes with a low blue light certification for eye comfort. This phone is powered by the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 processor, paired with LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 2.2 storage. In CPU throttling tests, it performs exceptionally well. The entire graph remains green. Here are the Antutu scores, which are close to 800,000, and even the Geekbench scores are impressive. As for gaming, yes, in PUBG, it supports 60 FPS, and the in-game experience is quite smooth. Out of the box, it runs on Android 15 with Funtouch OS 15. Vivo promises 2 years of Android updates and 3 years of security updates. Yes, it does come with some third-party apps pre-installed, including the hot apps. But you can go into settings, hide the hot apps folder, and uninstall any apps you don't need. It also supports AI features like most modern phones. Access Google Gemini using the power button. Use the circle to search option, and screen translate for instant translation on screen. Now, the biggest feature of this phone is its massive 7300 mAh battery, and it supports 90-watt flash charging. From 0 to 100%, it charges fully in just 65 minutes. There's also a bypass charging feature, which means the power can be supplied directly to the motherboard, helping reduce heat during heavy usage or gaming. And when it comes to gaming, this big battery really shines in games like PUBG. You can get up to 15 hours of continuous gameplay. And if you're watching content, it offers up to 35 hours of screen time. It comes with a 50-megapixel main lens, which is the Sony IMX882 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for steady shots. Alongside that, there's a 2-megapixel bokeh lens for depth effects in portraits. Since it's a Vivo phone, the camera results are in line with Vivo's strong camera profile. You get smooth, sharp images with vibrant colors that really pop, especially in well-lit conditions. Portrait shots look clean and detailed, with natural skin tones and great edge detection, perfect for social media uploads. For video, it supports 4K recording at 30 frames per second. And on the front, there's a 32-megapixel selfie camera, which also delivers excellent skin tones and clear details, especially in portrait mode where Vivo's tuning really shines.